Morning everyone, it is Friday the 18th of the 3rd 2022. We're on the chart GBPJPY 30-minute time frame. Quick review of yesterday's trade, which I only took the one of. We discussed in yesterday's video my entry, and then as we review today how that trade panned out. Well, we can see here, so if I just get rid of the crosshair off my chart and go onto my cursor, we can see we entered him here and price continue pushing up into profit. It didn't quite touch hit my break even point here, which we had a 22 pip stop and a 22 pips to TP1, and then I would have moved my second position up to break even. It decided to melt on me, but that's okay. So it dropped straight back down and took me out of that position, and then decided to push up and hit me TP1. But that's the enjoyment of trading. But yeah, so then I decided we only took that one position yesterday. So then we get this strong bearish candle pushing down, breaking through the 8, breaking through the 8 MA, through the 50 MA, and then price ranged and just struggled to make higher highs, high lows, high highs, right through to the end of the day. So not the best afternoon here. But into today, we can see price ranged going into Asia, strong bullish candle up mid Asia, and then struggle to make higher highs again, and then we get this downtrend, slight downtrend here, but again it's struggling and it's a bit messy. And so anyway, we get a confirmed lower low, higher low print here. So I draw my trend line, and we're at a point this morning now where we're only an hour and a half into the London session, where we get a very slight break of structure there on this bearish candle. The current 30-minute candle we have, we're 6 minutes into it. This candle here, this bearish candle, there's no real break of structure. When I see a very minor break and close, that doesn't get my attention at all. So in my mind today, it's Friday, volume will be dropping off later. I believe that on a Friday you tend to get, I refer to it as mopping up, that where there'll be stop hunts. So all these traders that are long here and are holding on to their positions, and they've moved the stops here, they might have stops here, there'll be stop hunts down to take all them traders out. So, or it could be the opposite way around, where they'll grab liquidity up here, so price could shoot up, take the stops for the sellers here, continue up or carry on down. I'm always cautious on a Friday, and sometimes I don't bother trading on a Friday, but we'll see what happens. So I'm not going to place a trade here now, but I am looking at a close beneath structure here with a bit of momentum, perhaps break through the 50 moving average and a close. But then we've got all these hurdles here to think about. We've got a level here and level here, but the first level is only, if we can just mark that on the chart, from current price now, we are only 28 pips away from this low here. If we get a break of that down to, we've got 50 pips here to this low here, we've got 58 pips, and then down to here, then we've got a total of 96 pips. So it's just getting past this here. The first hurdle we've got is 26 pips. We may have a trade there if we can get to our 1-to-1 with ease, and we get a 20 pip stop, which would put us around this area for our stop loss. We get the break even 20 pips, and then we let the second one run, moving our stops to break even. There's a possible trade if we get a close beneath structure here. So we'll just see how that pans out, and we'll review that. I might not wait till Monday for the next video. I'll do a video over the weekend, review how today went. But enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend.